Hi, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're back on the continuation video 2 of the above floor slide for the bedroom slide on the passenger side rear on a 2016 NEWMAR Dutch Star. And remember the video prior to this, I showed you where it was pulling up out of the particle board or chipboard floor. All they did was use regular screws. Here, I'll show. All right, so they pulled up. So I put a little bit healthier screw and galvanized. I put these washers on there for a reason so that it don't go down any further than the original ones. Actually, they were a little bit shorter. Okay, so that I'm safe there. And then I ground. These are the original ones I changed already, but I put these 3 extra in to help because this is the end that takes the brunt of the force. That's why his slide was lifting up when it was coming in, because all this was coming up off the floor. Right, you can see right here. Let me show you. These screws right there, look, that one's pulled out. That one's pulled up. That whole thing was lifting up off the floor. You can see it right there, look. Let me show you. All right, this one is flat on now because I screwed it down. All right, watch this one. I'll show you how high that one's up already. I can put that screw under there that came out. Look at that. Oh, remember, I'm not a video expert, but I'm showing you how high that is up. So when I tighten this up, it'll pull it down. All right. So I got to grind that hole right there. Okay. Let me get a light on that better for you. That hole. So the screw, drop it down there for you. Remember, I'm not no video expert, but I'm gonna show you all the tricks I learned and the skill set it takes to do these, and maybe you can do it yourself. That's a little wider. Okay, and I used size hex there, galvanized, in case water gets on it. It shouldn't, but it does sometimes in an RV. And I used this to grind the hole out. All right, so I'm going to put you on pause. I'll get right back with you once the hole's ground out because the new bolt won't fit. All right, folks, we've completed it. You can see all the added things I added. I added the stacked washer to spread the load out on the bolt. I increased the diameter to go into chipped board, particle board. It should have been a solid piece of plywood there, but I'll stay out of that. Now she's extended all the way. I'm gonna retract it or bring it in. And look at this corner right over here. That's where it was hitting the ceiling, and it would rock right up as soon as I hit it. There you go. Beautiful. All right, we'll see how long that lasts. Because I still don't like that particle board chip floor, but it's what is in the RV. This would be a lot of work to modify this. Of course, it's got heated floors. Or if I could get the build structure or the floor plans of the plumbing and electrical and air going through it, I could possibly put through bolts all the way through the bottom of it, through the subfloor, like into the basement area, storage area. That's probably what I would have done, at least on the corners. The rest I might have put in the wood. But thank you very much. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Remember, there's 4 ways to get a hold of me. One is on the YouTube channel you're looking at right now, RV Diagnostics. Also is the Facebook page, which is growing and growing and growing. It's over 15,000 members. That's RV Diagnostics and Troubleshooting. And the other way is the website where you get to do one-on-one me, like I'm talking to you on this phone. I'm watching you what you're doing, guiding you step by step. I got people that say, hey, I got something wrong with my RV, like my water pump don't work. And I go, you got a multimeter? They go, nope. So they go get one, and I teach them how to use the meter and how to interpret the readings or understand what the meter's saying to them, like hot side, ground side switches, pull up, pull down. All right. If that's your choice, that's www.rvdiagnostics.com. It's plural, diagnostics. And the other way is over here in Seaford, Delaware, 19973. If you're in the peninsula area, Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania, D.C., one guy come from Georgia, and me and him figured out his RV, and he had a blast, and now he's up and running. So, like I said, this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Thank you for watching this video. This is the end of the video. There's one before it. And don't forget to check out my Facebook page and website. Thank you very much.